This compact BC babycare baby food maker uses a powerful high-speed motor and multi-layer blade system to turn fruits, vegetables, and meats into very smooth purees in only a few seconds. The glass mixing bowl, stainless steel blades, and food-grade plastics give it a solid, safe feel that is reassuring when preparing food for a baby. Operation is genuinely simple, with a single press to blend and easy control over how fine or chunky you want the texture for different feeding stages. I appreciate that the blades stay enclosed in the cup and the machine automatically stops if it is not properly positioned, which adds an extra layer of safety during hectic meal prep. Cleaning is straightforward because the parts come apart easily, have few hidden crevices, and the blending cup can go straight into the dishwasher. Its capacity and ability to handle everything from silky first purees to thicker mixtures make it a practical tool for gradually introducing more complex foods.